Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady.
And I'm Jules. Today we are looking at a phrasal verb that we all do, even if we don't want to admit it. It is a very human habit.
A habit we don't want to admit? What is the phrase today?
Today we are looking at the phrasal verb put off.
Oh, put off. This is incredibly common. Native speakers use this every single day.
For our English learners, put off is tricky because it has two very different meanings. The first one means to delay doing something. You decide to do a task later, usually because you don't want to do it right now.
Let's look at a real scenario. Imagine you have a huge pile of dirty laundry in your bedroom.
Oh, I hate doing laundry. It cakes forever.
Exactly. So instead of washing the clothes on Saturday morning, you look at the pile and say, I'll do it tonight. Then tonight comes and you say, I'll just do it tomorrow.
You are putting it off. You are delaying the job because it is annoying or boring. We put off going to the dentist. We put off paying bills.
I always put off studying for exams when I was in school. I would wait until the very last minute.
We all do it. But here's where it gets interesting for English learners. Put off has a second meaning. It can also mean that something makes you lose interest or makes you feel slightly disgusted.
That is a big shift in meaning. Give us a scenario for that one.
Okay, imagine you go to a brand new restaurant. You are so excited to eat, but when you walk inside, the restaurant smells terrible, like old garbage and dirty water.
Yuck. I would want to turn around and leave immediately.
Exactly. You would tell your friends, the terrible smell really put me off. It means the smell killed your appetite. It made you lose your interest in eating there.
Oh, that is such a great example. And you can also use it for people. If you go on a first date and the person is very rude to the waiter.
Yes, you would say, his rude behavior really put me off. It means you don't like him anymore. The bad behavior completely ruined the attraction.
So to wrap this up for our learners, put off means to delay a boring task until later, or it means something completely ruins your interest and makes you want to walk away.
Your homework for today: think about a chore or a task that you're putting off right now. Is it cleaning your house? Calling a friend back? Why are you delaying it? Practice explaining it out loud in English.
Being able to use phrasal verbs like this makes you sound so much more natural and fluent when you speak.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep growing.
Don't put off your English practice. See you next time on Mady